So I'm going to show the new screen recording in Flipgrid. This is great for educators who want to demonstrate the assignment. It's also great for students who want to show their work and capture their screen. So I'm going to click the big green plus. And now go to the ... menu right here and click screen recording. Now it's going to let me start screen recording with this button. This works in the brand new Edge browser as well as Google Chrome. So I'll start screen recording. Now it lets me give a choice. I can choose my entire screen. I can choose a single application window. So I've got OneNote, I've got Edge, I've got PowerPoint open, or I can just choose an Edge tab. So if I have 3 tabs open, I can choose one of those. I'm going to choose my entire screen and click share. So now it gives me a countdown. And you have a little indicator here that Flipgrid is sharing your screen. I'll hide that. Now, I want to keep this window open because this is where I'm going to come back when I'm done. I can either pause or stop. So let's do my little screen recording. I go here. I want to show Immersive Reader because I love Immersive Reader.
The study of Earth's landforms is called physical geography.
Maybe I want to show a Wakelet tab in the browser. I pull up OneNote. We'll go through here a little bit. So I do my screen recording and we're going to come back to that original Flipgrid tab right here. Maybe I want to pause it just for a second. Okay, we're paused. I need to do some more things. Oh, I forgot to do this. Let's resume recording. Now it's recording again and I can keep going. So when I'm all done, I click stop recording. And you have a little indicator and then it starts to play it back. So now I can play back my recording. I can add more if I want with this button over here on the left. And let's say I like my recording. I'm going to click next. Now I can get a selfie. Hey! And hit next. I can do all the great Flipgrid things. And now, just like it normally does, it prepares the video. I can go up, I can submit my video, my first screen recording, and a link if I want to. And then I submit it. So it's just that easy. This is fully out now. You can try it. It's fantastic for distance and remote learning as well.